Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Kitchen Mondays, the day we serve up the best kitchen gadgets to make life easier. Today we're looking at the COSORI Pro Gen 2 air fryer, the upgraded version with a sleek new look and more features than before. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its 13 one-touch cooking functions, covering everything from chicken and steak to veggies and desserts. It even includes a personalized shake reminder, so you don't forget to flip your food halfway through. With a 5.8-quart square basket, it can fit a 5-pound chicken, and the design gives you more usable space than round air fryers. That's enough for 3 to 5 people in one go. It cooks food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven and reduces oil by as much as 85% compared to deep frying, giving you that same crispy taste with fewer calories. The built-in NTC sensor helps maintain an even cooking temperature within just a few degrees, so your meals come out consistently. You also get 100 paper recipes and 1,100 more online recipes, making it beginner-friendly and great for meal inspiration. Plus, the dishwasher-safe, non-stick, BPA, and PFOA-free basket makes cleanup quick and easy. On the downside, it's not small. At nearly 12 pounds and a bulky footprint, it does take up counter space. While versatile, it still won't replace a full oven for very large families, so you may need to cook in batches. And compared to budget air fryers, the price is higher, though you're paying for features, capacity, and durability. So, is it worth it? If you want a powerful, family-sized air fryer with smart features, consistent results, and loads of recipe support, the COSORI Pro Gen 2 is one of the best options you can get. But if you're tight on space or mainly cook for one, a smaller and cheaper model might make more sense. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.